Welcome to OCP TV, the newsroom for the Open Compute Project Foundation. I'm Laura Noland at the 2020 OCP Virtual Summit. Joining me today is Shyam Chandra, the Compute Segment Marketing Manager at Lattice Semiconductor. Welcome to OCP TV, Shyam.
Oh, thank you, Laura.
We are glad you're here. Please tell our viewers about Lattice Semiconductor and what you do.
Lattice Semiconductor is a leader in low-power FPGA products. We provide solutions to communications, computing, industrial, automotive, and consumer markets. In fact, during the last 4 years, we have shipped more than 1 billion programmable logic devices. Additionally, Lattice Mark Exo brand of FPGAs have been selected almost all server ODMs and OEMs to implement control PLD functions in their server motherboards. My name is Shyam Chandra. I am the compute marketing manager at Lattice Semiconductor.
Shyam, you are a sponsor this year. Lattice Semiconductor is a sponsor this year at the OCP Virtual Summit. Why was it important to be part of the summit?
OCP enables all hardware manufacturers to start with a standard solution and then add their secret sauce to differentiate their system in their marketplace. Lattice wants to bring our rich experience in control PLD applications to the table and assist OCP ecosystem partners to add functions such as hardware root of trust to their control PLD and make their system firmware resilient against malicious attacks in their supply chain. Lattice is also a proactive player in ODSA workgroup in providing secure management pitchlet, that is a chiplet on a PCB, for the proof of concept or the POC platform. And this chiplet is based on Lattice's newly announced Nexus platform. And using this POC, one can develop software stack for their domain-specific accelerator product.
What's the latest at Lattice Semiconductor? Shyam, do you have any news that you can share with us?
In 2019, Lattice introduced Mark Exo 3D family of products. These devices enable a motherboard's control PLD into a platform root of trust device for that motherboard that makes the motherboard firmware resilient against attacks in their supply chain. Lattice's Mark Exo 3D, in effect, makes these motherboards become compliant with the NIST SP 800-193 standard, or also called Platform Firmware Resiliency, or PFR. Lattice also supplies the PFR toolchain to make it easy for a system designer to add these PFR functionality to their hardware by simply customizing Lattice provided reference design to meet their platform needs. Lattice also announced the Secure Control Management Pitchlet board for the ODSA or POC platform. This is for anyone who is developing a software stack for their domain-specific accelerator module. The Secure Control and Management chiplet uses Lattice's newly announced Nexus platform, which is based on FDSOI technology. And this new low-power, high-performance, with high SEU resilience FPGA product, as an example of this, this platform is called Crosslink, and Lattice offers design services to implement these functions such as PFR, power sequencing, tamper detection, etc., on the secure control and management pitchlet.
Well, Shyam, you have lots of exciting news. Lattice Semiconductor has lots to share, great things happening there. So as you're sharing at the summit, what do you hope to take away and bring back to Lattice Semiconductor for your initiatives?
In OCP Virtual Summit, OCP Summit, there are so many companies demonstrating their new systems. And then there are so many technical sessions that are happening where the newer trends are being discussed. For example, hardware security is becoming almost table stakes feature for almost all systems. We want to understand the security needs, their cryptographic needs of various systems in this, and this will help us bring new programmable solutions along with necessary tool suite to make it easy for our ecosystem partners and consumer customers to implement all these new functions. We want to understand the emerging control PLD function needs and interface standards, security control management standards. And this will also help us provide solutions, silicon solutions that will intercept the needs at a future date.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Exciting collaboration coming during and after the summit, it sounds like, for sure. So what were some of the deciding factors that led you to choose OCP?
OCP's charter of making hardware more efficient, flexible, and scalable. This charter actually resonated with our company policy of using PLDs to achieve the same thing for all our customers. And this will reduce time to market, implementing security control and management in hardware, or adopting our secure programmable devices with customizable tools. And OCP provides a stage for us to demonstrate our capability and make it easy for the ecosystem partners to adopt this solution. For example, the secure control and management pitchlet that we are developing for OCP, it is something that customers can actually start using for developing software stack for their OCP system in a package. So all in all, we believe OCP's direction is totally in line with Lattice.
Great news. Can you go a little bit further and talk about anything that's specific that stands out as a great example of your work with OCP? You started just a little bit there, but if there's anything else that you could share.
I want to point out our contribution to the OCP work group. That is in defining the secure control and management functionalities for domain-specific accelerator modules. And this is offered as a system in a package by our customers. And Lattice identified these functions and even built a pitchlet, or this is the chiplet on a PCB that I talked about, that can be plugged into ODSA proof of concept board. And this makes the ODSA SIP adapters use our solution in their hardware and software development.
Shyam, where can our viewers go to learn more about Lattice Semiconductor and all that you're working on?
I would encourage people to go visit Lattice website, www.latticesemi.com, LATTICESEMI, one word, .com. From there, you can navigate to Mark XO3D product or the PFR and the data center applications.
All right, we got it. We know where to find you and Lattice. Thank you so much, Shyam, for joining us today. We appreciate your time with us.
Thank you very much, Laura, and I'd like to thank OCP for having given us an opportunity to participate in this interview. Thank you.
And thank you, viewers, for tuning in to OCP TV. Enjoy the virtual show.